Sometimes I take a lot of heat when people find out that I run a razor company. You run a razor company and you have a beard. I hated shaving. I realized at an early age that after I shave, I would get ingrown hairs really bad. Multi-blade cartridge razors were pulling my hair up so much out of the skin and then cutting so low that it would grow under the skin. I should have been using a single blade razor. One blade is a great option for guys who, the reason they have beards in the first place is that they hated shaving because they get ingrown hairs. The issue though is most of the single blade razors on the market are not that easy to use. You have to manually make sure that the blade angle is correct against the skin. And if that angle is not quite right, you could cut yourself really badly. One blade razors are different because our patented pivoting head lets the user feel very similar to how they feel when they're using a cartridge razor. One blade is a razor that feels like a cartridge razor when you use it, but gives you the benefit of a single blade shave.